Kaya ako sa kain.
Bakit naman? Marami mga Koreans, di ba? House.
Baka bigami yung
Yeah, anyway, it's Christmas season.
Pag nag-opening yung Wow Philippines,
Ano to? Open nila ng wow?
inaayos na po mag.
Wow!
Dito para makita.
Nakapunta kami dito sa Light and Sound.
Sa kapila maluwag.
Hindi, yung decoration ng Wow para makita.
Okay.
Nung araw, ang Light and Sound, no entrance.
Talaga?
Nung araw But now, very expensive.
At 100.
Paano na ito, group? Pagka group po kayo, ma'am, 100 group.
Yeah.
But if you 1 to 4 or 1 to 5, sa 1,000 pesos.
Ito ka nag-college kuya sa PLM. Wala pang Manila Oceanarium noon, wala pang Light and Sound.
Nag-ito kasi yun, ba nakakatakot ng araw?
Yeah. Dati hindi rin mo nito ng Tramuros eh.
But po nung si Secretary parang naging senador.
Yung DOT Secretary, parang ng tourism.
Si Dick Gordon.
Opo.
Siya may project po ng Wow Philippines nung bago mag-eleksyon.
Opo. I was in high school.
Siya nag-ayos po ito. Yan ang sila niya. Ayos pa rin sila. Sabi kami first December, opening.
Oo. Manang starting sa'yo. It will look even more beautiful in December. Yeah.
Prepare for Christmas, sir. Hello.
Tais mo na uniform.
Hindi na nga kayo kabili ng bago uniform.
Talaga po?
Talagang may kang ano po kayo, hanggang hindi gano'n ano. Wala sa kari, pagka nag-opening ulit. Treasure, this is the original entrance before. Puerta de Santa Lucia.
Di ba kuya ano na yun ngayon, yung mga weddings?
Hindi Yan yung ayos na yan.
Ay, yung Wow Philippines?
Ito, yan.
Ayun yung clamshell, di ba po?
Ito yung clamshell.
Yeah.
Ginawa na nga yan.
Huge
Look
place
here,
here.
house. Like a house in the mountain.
The Nipa Huts. There will be store different kinds of traditional Filipino teas. Huge because mahal yung clamshell.
Lagyan na ng araw.
Mga po eh.
Ilok din mo dito. Before that is the house. Wow.
They will be open in December for the Christmas. Pero I like the wedding venue.
One of the nice garden for waiting. Bilyan Makulata, Tamari.
Maraming kasal ngayon kuya, no? December eh.
Every day, ma'am, we're waiting.
Every day there's wedding.
Like I said, now they're about to.
Oh, really?
Hey, what's this place?
That's Manila Cathedral.
Manila
The biggest
Cathedral. What is the second oldest church?
Yeah.
Manila Cathedral?
Oldest church.
The biggest church here.
The biggest in the Philippines, the second oldest.
sir, 6 times destroyed.
Say again?
6 times destroyed.
Really?
Yeah. And they rebuilt.
Then rebuild, after destroyed, rebuild again, rebuild. Because it's Blue by Typhoon. Yes, you know the original Manila Casa made doon in bamboo in Ipa. Blue by Typhoon. And the second is Super Fire. The third earthquake, the fourth earthquake. The last 1945 during the Battle of Manila.
Oh, yeah. So that was last time that they rebuilt. Since we have Palacio del Governor. Opposite the Governor General during the Spanish time. So it's like Washington, D.C. during the Spanish time.
Next dog is the Miguel Lopez de Legazpi,
Yeah.
the first Governor General.
Wow, Manong knows a lot of history here. Manong magaling sa history, ah.
Yun, nakakasampala na. Dito lang kasi dito, hindi na pwede magaling pag dada ka ng turin.
Opo.
Kasi may parang kung ng turin.
Yeah.
Mga 1 week o 15 days.
Magkano na enter dito, kuya?
75 na po ngayon, ma'am.
Magkano?
75.
Parang nung college ako, libre pagpamantasan eh.
Yun din po Baluar San Diego.
Oo, libre before yun eh. I was like, what the hell? How come there's fee now? It used to be free.
Really?
Yeah, especially if you're from...
The main port, Port Santiago.
Ayan.